What up, what up? Just want to do a quick unboxing of a new chain. This is one I've wanted for literally years. Reason I never got it is I couldn't justify the price for the weight, for the size. But I've been wanting another subtle chain. I have this 7mm Figaro, of course, from Hawaii Rope Chains, which this is actually leaving me. This is a little too wide for my liking. 7mm flat curve was perfect. This is more than that. But I got the diamond cut Franco 3mm. I thought about going 3.5 or 4, but that was, again, I was arguing against the price versus size versus weight versus price, like I said. So I got the Franco diamond cut 3mm, 24 inches, 31.8 grams. So it's almost a half a gram heavier than it says online. 14 karat packed by Braden. And I will try to remember to show the card. Of course, it comes with the sticker and the pouch. I can already feel it. I'm supposed to be taking a nap right now. Oh, wow. I can tell you now, the color is different than what I've seen before from other chains. And for being diamond cut and having those notches, it's smooth. Man, you can feel that weight. I've always heard that the clasp is tough. It's a very stout clasp. I'll get some shots outside so you can see the diamond cuts, but this is just natural light. And I got my scale here and my caliper. I'll do that here in a little bit. And I actually want to get a cross to put on it. This is stainless steel and gold cross, and this is a little bit bigger than I would want. I'll put this on here so I can see what that looks like. Because if that looks decent, then I know that the size I want will look right. This is beautiful. It's a very rich yellow. Yeah, that will work. Because the one I want is just a little bit shorter than this and a little bit narrower. A 14 karat nugget cross. I was thinking about the lion, but again, size, price, weight. Yeah, I like this a lot. And when I was reviewing my wife's Franco before I exchanged it for the shorter Jacoje link, I was thinking about getting 2.5 milliliters, but I'm glad I went with this one. And this is beautiful. Now, the one thing I think will annoy me a little bit is this, because I feel like if I pull on a little bit, it might break. Now, this is a very heavy chain for 3mm. But anyway, I'll hit the scale and the caliper and the ruler. Very nice clasp. You have the 14 karat Italy, Jacoje logo, and the Jacoje print. And turn the scale on. Supposed to be 31.8. Of course, it's exactly what he says it is. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. Very subtle, but very nice. You can feel like it's a snake. I've heard a lot of people say that. And for this one being the diamond cut one, it doesn't really catch the clothes. You can see it's rolling around, looks good. I'm sure if it was like an athletic shirt or something, it might catch, or a sweater, but for as smooth as it is, I mean, I can't really see it catching on anything. I've said it almost every video where I've had the chance to see one, the Italian drop, or Italian fancy teardrop clasp is my favorite one. You know, I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do next. Like I said, that Figaro is going away because it's a tad too wide for me. I may eventually get another Figaro. I probably will. Maybe the 5.5mm or even the Jacoje 7mm. But I really, because of the clasp, because of the fact that it's not as tight or as round as Miami Cuban, I really want that 5.5mm Jacoje curb. You know, I know that's getting there, getting stocked up in about a month. So I may pull the trigger on that over the summer. I know I'm gonna get that cross pendant for this. Super happy with the purchase. Beautiful chain, of course, 2-day shipping. I mean, what more can you want from a 3mm chain or a 3.15mm chain? You can feel the weight on this. It's funny to me that when you have a chain, the 7mm or 7.5mm Figaro, weighs 54.2 grams and is uncomfortable or very comfortable to sleep in. This one is less weight, but since it's denser, is going to be very uncomfortable to sleep in probably. But I don't like sleeping in chains that much as it is, but I love the subtleness of this chain. It has a good neck view, good side neck. Definitely better than the heavy link one, and that was really nice. Until you got the 18 karat plated ones, you know, 14 karat but 18 karat plate on top. Anyway, that's it until the next one.